Namaste everyone. Thank you very much first of all for joining this lecture. So in this one I'm going to show you a Django application which is basically a social media application, right, for which I have used, for developing which I've used Django. Now how can you register on this web portal? Let me just show you that. So you need to come here on register and it will redirect you to the sign up page. Let's create a user quickly. So I am just using some random details for doing it. Okay, sign up. Okay, so I've created a user successfully and let's upload a photograph for this user. So let's see if I have something on my device. For now I'm taking this pic. It is not a relevant pic, I know it, but okay, save. Fine, and here I can write something about this person. So my mother's name is Manju Jain. Location is Ghaziabad, and let me just write down the phone number also for your reference. Okay, so I've saved the details and I'm cancelling it. Fine. So here you can see the account details. The user, if suppose he wants to change the account details, he can simply click here, right, and it will redirect him to this page again where he can update his user profile. Then you can see here there is a small pane in which all the users names and their profiles are getting reflected. Suppose if I have to see the profile of this user, so I can simply click it and it will redirect me to the profile of the person. It's going to take a bit of time, and you can see here the URL has changed. Right, earlier it was 8000 and now profile, then Django126 has also got added to this URL which the server gives us. So this is the profile of user, and let me just follow him. So if I have to follow him, I can simply click here on follow, and you can see here the number of followers has increased from 1 to 2, right? So that's how this application works. Let me just go back on the home page, and you can see here the post which this person posted some while back. I'm able to see it over here, right? So it says having fun with this camera, Gaurav Kumar Jain, having fun with this camera. Similarly, if I have to check out the profile of this person, Anubhav Jain, so see, I'm able to do it. Let me just follow him. Okay, so the number of followers have increased, right? So this is how this application basically works. If you post anything and your followers automatically get a notification and they can see all the posts you have posted, right? Similarly, if suppose you want to like this post, so you can simply click here on this like button. You can see here earlier it was no likes, now it has changed to liked by one person. So this is the application, this is how the application works. If you really like this profile and you want to download it on your device, that too can be done with the help of this button over here. So you have to simply click it and automatically the post, whatever things the person has used in his post, a photograph or video, it will get downloaded on your device like this. So this is what you can do with the help of this application. It is very much like Twitter, or you can say LinkedIn, right? And if you want to try it out, you can just check out the link given in the description section. So it will redirect you to a Git repo where you will find all the files, all the codes I've used for creating this project. If you want to learn Django, or if you have some project and you want me to assist you in that project, you can give me a call on the number which is getting reflected on your screen right now. Okay, so that is it from my side in this lecture. Hope you guys enjoyed it a lot. Bye bye, take care, and I'll see you in the next lecture.